Hey everyone, check out the BIETCR Magnetic Spice Rack Organizer, a kitchen game changer that saves space and keeps your spices visible and accessible next to your refrigerator. This strong magnetic shelf supports up to 7 pounds without any drilling or assembly, making it easy to install and secure. It's perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or any space where clutter needs to be tamed. Use it to store spices, seasonings, medicines, or other daily essentials on any iron-rich surface like refrigerators, microwaves, or dishwashers. The set includes 2 larger shelves and 2 medium shelves, giving you versatile storage options. Just make sure to attach it to surfaces rich in iron, cobalt, or nickel for the best magnetic hold. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to organized cooking with this sleek metal kitchen organizer. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.